Good morning and good afternoon, dear friends from the ITI from all over the world. My name is Alejandro Lanis from Santiago de Chile, and today I'm going to be lecturing about static computer-aided implant surgery as part of the ITI Global Webinar Series. I want to thank the ITI for this kind invitation, and I'm more than happy to share our work with you all. I want to send my greetings from Santiago, our capital city. Very, very beautiful city indeed, and I hope you can visit us sometime. And also want to send our greetings from Indiana University School of Dentistry and for our team from the Center for Implant Aesthetic and Innovative Dentistry. As a disclosure for this lecture, I want to say that the use of images with identity content have been authorized by the patient for academic purposes, and there is not any conflict of interest with any of the products or technologies shown in the following lecture. As the main objectives for this lecture, they are to know the different set of data necessary for digital planning for s-CAIS, to understand the designing process and fabrication of a surgical template, and to learn how to apply s-CAIS in different clinical scenarios. So first of all, why digital implant dentistry or not conventional implant dentistry? Well, the literature today give us enough information to understand that the digital workflows or digital tools can give us a lot of advantages regarding conventional implant dentistry. In fact, these two articles or reviews from the Periodontology 2000 from people that are very related to ATI, they state and show that we can get reduced surgical time, reduced restorative time, reduced morbidity, reduced storage space, augmented precision, and of course predictable biomechanics when we use these technologies for implant dentistry.